In the previous video, I spoke about the difference between a short distance and a long distance pigeon. And I also mentioned that I once had a 3-time winner in 1 year, and he flew over all distances. This blue check hen, 9450, is a double union winner here in Pretoria for us. Now, as yearling, this top class hen won us Noupoort. It was 700 kilometers. She won the club by 15 minutes, and she also won the union. And as a 2-year-old, 9430 won us the union from Bloemfontein, 420 kilometers, short distance race. So every once in a while you get a magnificent racer like this double union winner. It's the most perfect handler, really, a super handler. Awesome wings. It's just a perfect bird, and like I said, she's a Noupoort union winner, 700 kilometers, and also a Bloemfontein union winner in Pretoria. And the Bloemfontein union, she nearly won by 4 minutes, so it was a clean win. So if you're lucky, sometime you get pigeons like this. Have a great day.